My name is Reverend Prem Mitra. I'm the chairman of Arosha, India. We are near Bangalore at the edges of Bannerghatta National Park. Arosha, India is a conservation organization started about 4 years back. We are primarily working with the elephant conservation. We do have different programs. Our primary focus is to care for creation. Creation is a gift of God, and we are images of God. And our primary role is to protect God's creation.
My name is Vijay Anand. I am the director of Arosha, India. And apart from giving leadership to the research and conservation education program, I also look after our administration, finances, fundraising, and the school programs. Our flagship project is the conservation of the Asian elephants at the Bannerghatta National Park of southern India, where we try to conserve elephants through a project on understanding how we can resolve the conflict the elephants have with people.
The elephants are about 80 in number, which is losing their space each day. And we see that elephants are coming out of the forest, or the human beings are intruding inside the forest. So the space is one of the major criteria here. So what happens is, in the time where the vegetation is low in the forest, the elephants come out of the forest. And that is the conflict between the human beings and the elephant. Each year there is loss of life of elephant, and also loss of life of the human.
We've been conducting several research programs that have been extremely successful, and one of the programs is the testing of the chili and tobacco powder, the smell of it, whether if it could keep elephants away from croplands. And experiments like these and research programs have gone a long way in building a relationship with the local community, and eventually we expect that could grow and bring about peace in this area through the mitigation of conflict. Getting the right set of people to work in conservation issues is a huge challenge. So we depend on a lot on volunteers from India and outside as well. And the second challenge is financial needs, financial resources for running operations. It's very hard to get the local people involved in terms of economic resources. So many times we have to depend on project grants and depend on donors who could provide these resources. Climate change is a very serious problem that's not only affecting the Western world, but it affects the developing world more than the developed countries. And India is no exception, and India has its own problems in terms of climate change. And India has been experiencing climate change over the last decade or so. There's been very severe droughts, change in the arrival of monsoons, change in cropping patterns, and eventually it has led to suicides by farmers, particularly in Karnataka state where we live. Having you here with us to work practically with us on a day-to-day basis, participate in our hands-on conservation program, teach in our schools. That's one way you could help. Other way is you could spread the good work of what Arosha does among your friends, and eventually support the financial requirements for India. There are many requirements, and you could support our staff financially. You could support our programs. You could fund to start new programs So there are many ways, and do spread the good word around.
You heard what's the work and the mission carried on by the Arosha India. We welcome you to be a part of this mission of God in Arosha India by your support. We welcome you to contact the Arosha UK office for further details and be part of our caring for creation.